Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Got another beautiful brokerage listing to show you guys today. This one is a 2020 Four Winns V275. It's a 275 Vista. Boat is in excellent condition. Lift kept. All the best features on board. Show you a quick exterior walkthrough. I'll hop up there, show you all the amenities. See just how big that swim platform is. Volvo outdrive. Nice white shiny gel coat. Like I said, lift kept, so no bottom paint on this boat. Stepping up. Show you a little bit of the layout. Bimini giving us lots of shade. A sunny day. All stainless components. Up here on the platform, you see just how big it is. It's got the marine decking on here with the Four Winns logo. Gray and black to accent. Nice gel coat. Lots of different seating configurations on this boat. Nice little galley on the port side as soon as you step aboard. Got an electric grill, freshwater sink, refrigerator down below. And you close the gate here. You have access to your battery switches. Nice cocktail table that pulls out, giving you a little bit more room in here. And you'll see in the pictures that both of these backrests change direction. You can have this one facing aft, or you can lay it all the way down and meet this backrest to cover this whole area, giving you one big sun pad. Really nice feature that Four Winns does. Upholstery is in great condition. This boat stays covered and on the lift. Up here to the helm. See that this boat has 93.6 hours at the moment. Here's your Volvo binnacle. To make docking a little easier, you've got your bow thruster joystick here. You've got trim tabs, control for your anchor windlass, spotlight control, all your switches on here, engine data, both sides, and then your Garmin unit to help with navigation. This is hydraulic steering. This helm does tilt for whichever angle you'd like. Got flip down bolsters at the helm. Really comfortable boat. Got to step up to the bow area. You notice that there are snaps through here. There are cushions that snap into place to allow you to hang out on the bow, sunbathe, hang out up here on anchor at the dock or cruising. Sport arch gives it really nice lines. Sleek, sporty design. Stepping back down. Take a look down below. Gas assisted shocks. Stepping down into the cabin. head with the holding tank, freshwater sink, this V-berth transforms into a bed here. Table folds down, you put a filler cushion in there. You got your TV here. On shore power, you can have the AC or heat running. You've got another fridge down here, single burner electric stove, freshwater sink, got your microwave, storage in all the cabinets, storage beneath the seats. And then back here below the helm and under the stairs, you've got another bunk. So these are the bow cushions here that you see, and another piece in storage. Really nice size bed actually, with lights and a little window with the curtain. AC control here, cabin lights. You see that we are under shore power. Since we're on the lift, we've got the AC off, but the batteries are being charged. Currently in here, we've got cushioned carpeting, which not only is really comfortable on your feet, but also accents the boat's colors very nicely. Take a quick look in the engine hatch. Show you how clean it is down there. Electric actuator, virtually silent. This boat does have the camper canvas. So this entire area, as you can see, the zippers and snaps along the sides. The entire area, both aft and forward, can be enclosed with canvas and isinglass. It's good for those foul weather days or your colder climates. Quick look at the bilge, engine hatch area. My favorite part about it is the easy access to freshwater flush. Hook up a hose to it, run the engine, you're good to go. This boat obviously has less than 100 hours, but it's always good to know that it's been flushed. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2020 Four Winns V275. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.